TVLPR. Okay, so hey guys, welcome back to the channel One Developer. Today I'm gonna start. Today I'm gonna start how to create a professional portfolio, terminal portfolio with me. So let's start. Okay, so let me show you like how your portfolio looks like after you create that portfolio. So it will look like this. Like let me show you. Okay, so that's the portfolio and how it looks like. Okay, so if you write some commands like GitHub, let you know that it will open your GitHub here or your source like LinkedIn. If you open, it will open LinkedIn also. Hello, hello, hello. Am I audible? Okay, so hey guys, dost. Okay, hello. So, so let's get started. Clone it in your desktop or laptop. So just go there and copy the HTTPS link. When you click on this, it got copied and just open your terminal and type git clone and then paste the link. After that, this repository will be cloned to your laptop. Till it's cloning. Okay, now it's cloned. So right now you have to do a cd like create directory by using this. From this you should enter into this directory. So just after entering into this, you have to install some libraries into it, but you need a git bash for this. So we are just going to terminal and start how to download folder. So just write a code dot, so it will open VS Code with your downloaded folders. So that's the whole code you have to need for the project. It's already built a lot. Okay, so here you have to go. Okay, that's the config. So here you have to change all the information like what should be the title of and each and everything. So first of all, we should install the yarn here. So for installing yarn, you have to type yarn install. Get that all the repositories or all the dependencies are getting installed into this. So after reinstalling after installing all the dependencies here, we should change the config.json and create a file named as documents.tsx, which help us to classify our image while like this image. Like let me show you, like this one, like it not looks like this. Like that's a real portfolio how it will look like. Okay, So that's not a good. So I just changed the theme to black and yellow this because I like this. Okay, so the thing is downloaded. Now we have to run yarn.dat to check the production build is available or not. Okay, so it's kind of ready. So let's check. Yeah, it's like ready. So if you do this like some fetch, we should get to know about like who created this. Like the live stream has created this thing here. So you have to change all these things. So we just go to change all these things. So we had to go to the repositories bin and command.ts. Here, when you go down, you should see this ASCII code. We had to change this banner by using we can change this banner. Just search sky. Yeah, that's the first website. And you have to choose a font like this one, the first one, in shadow, and copy that banner from there. And just go to your VS Code again, and from down you have to copy all the banner and just delete this and paste your banner here. So after that you have to add a tag before this so it can get to shift it there. See, okay, so let us check like how it looks. Let's refresh this. So it just go to the that side right at the top right. So we have to make it like here at the center. So okay, so like let me change my name first. We are creating exactly the same portfolio, so I just change my name and copy the banner again. And okay, so now it will look good. Yeah, it's look good. It looks good. So here we had to create an image and like we had to add an image here. So let's add an image there. So for adding an image, you have to go. You had to use this code before, but before this, you had to do something else. So right now, what you have to do? You have to add a code here. So it will just separate it with the image. at the right side and that will look better. So for that we are using image src first here. So okay, you have to set margin to the right with 2m reflection, cover it up, go up, and add an image that you want to add here with a sign dollar. Don't forget to use src here because it contains inside the source file. So you just have to add a source here also, and after that you have to define the width of the image, which is like 180 px. Okay, so that's the thing. We have aligned all the things together, and now for what you have to do, what you have to create a folder here, like assets folder. Okay, so maybe I have written the wrong spelling. Yeah, it's good. So right now I'm adding an image here. So before adding an image, just go to your like where you have sent your image or like use your image. I just drag it to my VS Code and paste it to the my assets. Okay, now it's got to paste here. Now what we have to do, we have to give a path. So from this, it will be open in our repository or like the image will be like not looking as good here. So let me show you how it looks right now. Okay, so we are getting an error here. So what's the error? Like 145, like that's. Okay, here's we got an error. Let me fix it. Oh, this error comes because we have not defined this here. So let's just go down and define the thing first. Or likely we have used the capital H here, and it's not the capital H, it's small h. Oh, it's not necessary to use that. Just slash dot slash assets slash headshot dot jpg and then use. Now it will not show any error according to me. Yeah, it's working. So now we have to change things in config.json. So get JSON. So here's the readme or like readme URL. You paste your GitHub user content URL also like this here, HTTPS and Okay, so it looks like this. And after that, the title should be whatever you like, but like I like Aditya dot, or like wait, like I should use 1 db lpr's portfolio, right? And add a name here. And here, what's the sky are you are using for this? So I use the sky code as, so here are your socials or accounts. So you just add your usernames here. It will directly redirect or confirm it, convert it into a link. So you just don't get it. Here you have to add your email. PS1 host name. So what is this host name? Let me classify here. Sorry, not let me tell you here. So that's the host name here. That this one, and PS1 host name, and that's like PS2 host name. So we have to change this to welcome portfolio. Okay, so let us change this. So let us change it again. So okay, it's look good. It looks good. Okay, just refresh it, and like after that we have to do more changes here. Like you have to add a GitHub repo for this thing. So I just add my GitHub repo here right now. Okay, so that's my repo, and I have to paste my resume here. For resume, I have another website. Like I already have an portfolio previously, so I just paste the link of my portfolio here. That's my previous portfolio. So just download resume from here and copy this link and just go to the VS Code and paste it here. The changes are making like you can check the compile client and server successfully. तो what basically is this? जब भी हम changes बनाते हैं या फिर changes commit करते हैं तो अपने आप यहाँ पे change हो जाता है already. तो Patreon में मेरा link है जो now this is some bad UI, like I don't like the color of this UI. So I just will I would like to change this UI from there. So some colors like the previous portfolio I have. So that's my portfolio color, like it's yellow and the black background in the back. So I just use this one because I don't like this color. Like it's not a dark repository, but yet it's not that much coach team. They're not team found. Okay, so let us change the colors or make it like this. Okay, so just go there. Oh, sorry, that's local system. VS Code. So you have to change colors here. So we are like to use another color history here, so just like this, and this. So for that old art thing, just remove this and write it as whole dark. Beyond this, we have to use to copy all these things again here, paste it here. So for the background, it's perfect. For the foreground, it's perfect. For the yellow 5816, yeah, green. Oh, so we have to change the green here. It should be like 00 00. Basically, it's purple maybe. Okay, for the gray, we should use 88C0D0 for blue. It's perfect, and for red, it's perfect. Now we should go to the light dim here. Sorry, dark dim. There's a dark dim here. The old one. Let us check the dim right now. So it's kinda right now looks as same as previous. So we should change or do something here. Okay. So for background, we'll be using 1A, 1A, 1A. Like it's black color already. Just change it and look. Yes, it looks good right now. It's continuously like a dark color. Okay. So for foreground, we are using our FFF like it's white color for the texting purpose. Okay. For the yellow, we are using D4, and for green, we try to use 0000, like purple color. Okay, let me show you like how purple color works. So when you just go there, that's the green, and when you just type something, it will like looks like red right now. Okay, so we have to change the frequency of color red here. So that's the gray. We have changed yellow and green. Now we have to change gray to 6963. So now it's got changed. Now Control S. Let's check it here. Okay, it's still the same. Now for the blue, we are using 6495 ED, and for red we are using E4 for HD. Okay, so it's done. Maybe it looks good right now. Let us type something. Yeah, it's good. It looks like purple right now. Okay, so when you just type it GitHub, here it's not a gate sensitive. So if you type in capital or small, it will work. Yeah, it's working. So right now, after that, what we have to do? Okay, so we have to define a task like another path for document.ths. So like it will never got to back in their original form. So just go to pages. Yeah, in pages you have to add a new file. What it said us. I have used tsx, so it's kind of tsx, right? Yeah. So under tsx we have to do nothing, just a simple thing here. We have to import HTML, comma head, comma main, comma next script, next script from next slash document. Okay, so just made a so here you have to use constant document. So the capital one document is equals to parenthesis equals to arrow to the braces. Here you have to return. So now you guys got the logic why we have used the dark section behind like there or something. So no, not that like we had defined it before the this wait. Okay, we had not defined it. That's why it's coming. I have to pause this thing. So for this, use a parenthesis like this one and wait control Z करने दो एक बार. Hmm. It's like this and add this here. So after getting to this, you have to add a tag head. Not here, but it's here. Head tag with slash this. When you go down, you have to add a body tag. Inside the body tag, you have to open a main. Inside main, you have to do next script body HTML thing. Okay. So here, after that, we have to set our argument to default document. So right now, export document here. Okay. So Control S. Okay. So as you can see, that's compiled client successfully. So let us check here. Okay. So we are getting an error. No, no error. Okay. So it's like working fine. So if you want to change this five icon, you can just go to the sorry. Okay, so there's a logo like Android dot thing. This one. Okay, that's a that's a lifetime five icon. So if you want to change this, you just make changes here. There. Okay, so change this according to your preferences. So right now we have to do what? We have to change the lifetime performance also. So how does it look there? Let us change. So right here lifetime No, not there. We don't have to change anything here right now. Okay, so we have to do change in shell. No, not there also. Oh, okay, so it's in capital, right? So LIV. Okay, so we have to change in some fetch. Okay, right. Yeah. So write your team's name like according to you. Okay, so I changes this. No, it will look good there when you just click on some fetch or something else like some fetch. Now it's like ascendant. Okay. So now if you want to depth to the Vercel or some the platform, so you just have to go in terminal and open your bash Vercel. Okay, press yes. What should be the name of your project? So I just that's a demo project, so I just use DMO. Just press enter here, and they are like doing what? Like over. Okay, so we don't have to use like capital letters here. So like do it again. npx Vercel. Yes, yes, yes. No, it should be like demo PR. Press enter. So it's like setting up your projects right now. Settings. No. So it's kind of deploying your projects right now. So let's wait for deployment of the project. So its production level is on this link. So when you click on this, look at Google. It's kind of a network problem. So it depends on your network problem how it will look. Okay, so it's deployed on Vercel. So if you want to check like how it looks, so just like what the original link for the Vercel platform here. Just type Vercel and use to. Oh, so I don't know like where the link shows. I don't really like it. Will get to know in your VS Code. Okay, so that's the original link we got for this. That's a demo PR. Okay, so just follow this link, Control V, open. Okay, so that's the project setting here. Or if you want to change the name of the project, you should just change from there. So just save it like this, or it's already saved. It's done. So as you can see this is our portfolio right now. Okay, so that's for all today's video. So hope you guys like it and how to build it. If you guys got any doubt, just contact me through my email or just leave a comment in my video.